Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go back out this morning in the same. Shut the hell up. And we're gonna go out this morning actually in about the same spot and see if we can't get her done. Of course, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me again, and hopefully it's a good time. I don't know, it'll be a lot of the same stuff, but if you guys like it, make sure to hit the thumbs up, make sure to hit the subscribe. We're gonna just keep rolling out these videos. I have a great time making them and doing them, and hopefully you guys have a good time watching them. So other than that, let's hop right into it. That lady in Casey's, she's always so nice. She's a nice lady. I gotta be up super early. It's 5 a.m. She gotta be up super early. So she's got a good attitude. And you know, you'd think you'd be kind of grumpy. No, boy. She looks like her seat. I said, no, thank you. So it's currently pouring rain right now. Not awesome. Whoa! Watch the road. Not awesome. Yeah. We double teamed. You want me to get him again? Oh, you got him. Didn't even get my gun up. That one's doing a circle. That one's doing the death spins. Let me tell you guys, this one has been a weird hunt. It's just raining like crazy. We're shooting ducks every once in a while, shooting some geese. It's gonna be a short one, obviously, but hope you guys are enjoying it. It sucks. It is cold as heck out with this rain too, so. All I got is the GoPro. There's the other camera, not waterproof or anything, but we'll keep it posted. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. That was kind of a short one for you. It was just a crappy morning. It was raining, it started sleeting, there was snow at one point. There's snow, it actually snowed today too, all over, like, I don't know about all around Iowa, but pretty much everywhere I was today, there's snow on the ground literally right now. But other than that, I want to thank you guys again for watching. This is kind of just going to be a little buffer throughout the week keep you guys tied over or whatever for the weekend. Anyways, thanks again for watching. I appreciate all the comments or whatever, or I appreciate the comments, the likes, dislikes, whatever. I just want to put out the best video. I just want to put out the best video I can for you guys. Again, apologies for such a short little video here, but if you haven't yet, go check out the video before this. It's a great one. We pounded them. I mean, we had a great hunt, and I think you guys will like that one for sure. But other than that, we'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.